Right, so in this section, we're going to take everything we've learned and we're going to build our first neural network to train over the data sets that we just created. Now, what I'd like for you to do for this project is to start with your neural net from the last chapter. I guess the last module that you did, where you build a basic neural network for predicting on a structured data set. Then I'd like to take this three-layer neural network and remove the nonlinearity in the hidden layer. I'll show you why later. Then I would like for you to use the functions that we created above to generate the trained data on the fly, right? So a review and a label goes in, it's converted into the two vectors that we need for the input and output data, and then a forward pass and a backprop pass happens so that the data is being trained on the fly. Next thing I'd like for you to do is create a function for pre-processing the data so that all of these kind of vocabulary variables and word to index variables are variables of this class so that kind of everything is self-contained in that class. And then modify the train variable to actually train over the entire corpus instead of just on one inputs and targets list. So that's kind of what I would like for you to do. You can start with either with this shell that was presented at the beginning of your last week's chapter, or with the complete neural net that you started with last time. Now, if you do need help, I guess obviously the first thing to do is to go rewatch the previous week's Udacity lectures. Make sure you're familiar with backpropagation and stochastic gradient descent and the error measure that you're using, and also how to modify backprop to get rid of a nonlinearity. And if you still need more help, go ahead and check out chapters 3 through 5 of Grokking Deep Learning. I've included the 40% off code here. It does a comprehensive review of forward prop, back prop, and error gradients and stochastic gradient descent. And in a moment, I'll show you how I put this network together, and then we'll kind of talk about the different changes that we made. All right, I'll see you then.